Hello, welcome again. We are solving general aptitude of GATE 2020 of instrumentation engineering paper. Question number 4 is, I do not think you know the case well enough to have opinions. Having said that, I agree with your other points. What does paras having said that mean in the given text? Option A, as opposed to what I have said. Option B, despite what I have said. Option C, in addition to what I have said. Option D, contrary to what I have said. So here in the first line it is given that I do not think you know the case well enough to have opinion. So the person has said that. Having said that, I agree with your other point. Despite what I have said that the person has said this even if he is agree with the other point. So this, despite what I have said, he is agreed to other point but not agree to this. So he has already told that I don't think you have the case well enough to have opinion. But despite for in addition to this, he is agreed to other point. So despite what I have said should be used. Or having said that, despite what I have said, or having said that I agree with this point. So both are same meaning. So answer is option B.